In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat conference has said human life has lost its meaning and dignity in the presence of more than 1 million Indian occupation forces in the territory. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the surge in the extrajudicial killing of Kashmiri youth by the troops in Kashmir. He deplored that entire occupied Jammu and Kashmir had been converted into a military garrison where occupation forces are engaged in a fight with the local population without discrimination of age and gender. He paid rich tributes to the 5 youth martyred by Indian troops in FAC encounters in Pulwama and Budgam the other day. Kashmir Media Service, in a report, has said that killing of Kashmiris in FAC encounters are worst war crimes committed by Indian forces in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In reference with a fresh extrajudicial killing of 5 Kashmiri youth, the report said fascist Modi-led Indian regime, through different and under a well-meditated tactics, forces young Kashmiri boys to take gun to justify their elimination without being accused of perpetrating war crimes in the occupied territory. Meanwhile, relatives of the martyred youth assembled outside the police control room in Srinagar and staged a protest demonstration to press for return of the bodies of their beloved ones. On the other hand, Indian troops conducted door-to-door search operations in Shopian town and subjected the local populace to sheer harassment. The Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, in a statement, decried continued disallowing of Friday congregational prayers at the historic Jammu Masjid in Srinagar. In utter embarrassment for India, the World Health Organization has shown Jammu and Kashmir as a separate entity from India on the world map posted on its website. The WHO showed Arunachal Pradesh as part of China as well. Trinamool Congress parliamentarian Dr. Santanu Sen, in a letter to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, confirmed that the World Health Organization's map shows Jammu and Kashmir as part of Pakistan and Arunachal Pradesh as part of China. Meanwhile, a fresh plea has been moved in the Indian Supreme Court for registration of a case against Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the purchase of Pegasus spyware from Israel. The petitioner, Advocate M.L. Sharma, cited the New York Times' detailed report about the Modi government's $2 billion deal with Israel and sought registration of an FIR to recover the public money paid for the impugned deal and prosecute Modi in accordance with the law. The Editors Guild of India also raised the similar demand. A 25-year-old Dalit man was abducted, beaten and forced to drink urine by Hindutva terrorists affiliated with RSS, BJP and Bajrang Dal in Churu district of India's Rajasthan state.